Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light on an 07 Avalanche. Real easy. So all you gotta do, come in underneath. I have my piece missing, but you can go in through here still, up top. Zip tie. But it's right back in here. So this wire right here, I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I'll get a light so you guys can see. So it's literally as easy as just going in there, loosening it, or I think that one might be, it's actually a clip setup, so just a clip, unclip it, it'll come right out, and then you put the new one in. So I'll do that right now and show you guys how easy it is to do. And just like that, I got out. But here's the two clips I was talking about. I get a better light so I can show you. You got one right here, and right here, and the LED just clips in. The reason I'm replacing mine is the end of my LED burnt out, so that's all it is. And then I think all it does is just you get the little clip right here, and it pulls out. Just to show you guys real quick what it is, all it is. Oh, focus! It's just this little press button right here. Same thing on this. So it has two little inserts. It focuses. Little inserts. Then all you gotta do is push it on. You got like tabs. On the top you got one tab, on the bottom you got two. So two, and then there you got two. Slides in. And then it'll just go like this. If I can get it to go with one hand. I'm probably not that good. Let's see. Oh, there we go. So now it's in. Now all we do is go back up into here. Find the spot we were at. Until you're in it, you can actually come outside. Find it in. And those two little spots go vertical. So you'll kind of feel it and then you just press. Thank you so much. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.